Since we've been eating a lot more salads around here, dressing goes by a lot faster. So I have been tinkering around for a while, and I came up with my own dressing recipe that I think you guys will love. Alright, so to make this dressing, you're going to need an immersion blender. Now, the benefit of immersion blender in the dressing recipe is it really allows for the oil, vinegar, and spices to be blended seamlessly, so you don't have to keep shaking up the bottle every time you go to use it like you would when you make a good seasons packet. You're going to want something to blend in. I'm going to use olive oil. Another good alternative is canola oil, some apple cider vinegar, white vinegar, or red wine vinegar, depending on your taste. Whatever seasoning blend you would like to use. This is an Italian marinade seasoning that I got. It's got like dried onions and garlic flakes, pepper flakes. I'm actually also going to be adding some additional parsley to this, but any cool like spice blend like Green Goddess blend or anything like that can be used in this recipe the same way. And I'm actually also going to add a fresh squeezed lemon. Alright, so let's get started. Spices go in first. So, I'm going to put in a whole tablespoon of my Italian marinade. I'm going to add a teaspoon of parsley, approximately. Parsley is one of my favorite herbs, and I just think it adds a nice bit of freshness to the dressing. Next, we want to come in with our vinegar and our lemon. So for the vinegar portion, I am going to do a half of a quarter of a cup, so about 1/8 of a cup. I'm making a small amount today because I have a tiny little bottle to fill up. Next, I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of warm water. That helps blooms all the spices and gets them mixed in really nice. The juice of 1 lemon. Keep the seeds out. These lemons were particularly tart, so they'll go really nice in this dressing. Which is also why I only added half the amount of vinegar. Alright, at this point you can decide whether you want more or less oil in it. I actually like less, so I'm actually going to add another 1/4 cup of the water. And then I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup of the oil. So 2 of these. And now we blend. Start your blender all the way down on the bottom and start on low speed if you have dual speeds. And blend away for about a good minute. Tart, it's tangy, it's loaded with spices. I can taste the garlic and the peppers. Super delicious, nice and light dressing for your salads every day. I particularly like this blend on top of like a lettuce salad, and then I'll put grapefruit slices or sections on top or fruit pieces, and I love how the tanginess of this dressing pairs with the citrus fruit. So yeah, super easy. Now all I have to do is store it in a little jar in the fridge. And done. Look how nicely blended that is too. No separation between the oil, the water, and the seasoning because we emulsified it with the immersion blender. I'm going to pour that in with the last batch of dressing I made, and I'm just reusing a bottle I got from the store that this dressing I think actually tastes very much close, almost like a copycat of the Farmer Boy Greek. I'm going to use a funnel. But it's really delicious and my family really enjoys using it. Oh, just enough. Perfect. And there you go. Delicious homemade dressing that was super easy. But imagine all the other flavors you could do, like a sun-dried tomato seasoning one, or, you know, mix some of your own spices together to get whatever you're looking for as far as flavor profile. I mean, the possibilities with this recipe are endless. So I hope I've inspired you to create some of your own too. Leave a big thumbs up if you liked what you saw today. Don't forget to comment down below if there's any questions I can answer or any other dressing recipes you'd like to see me make. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode of all the fun going on here in the lab. And as always, be like the bats in the belfry and hit that bell so you get notified. Thanks for joining me again, and I'll see you next time here in the lab. Bye!